Ever launched a product feeling like herding cats? You're not alone. 78% of product marketers juggle 15 plus tools just to hit a launch deadline. The product launch pack changes everything with automated GTM workflows, PR contact databases with media sentiment scoring, real time cross team collaboration hubs, and post launch ROI dashboards that auto generate board reports. Say goodbye to spreadsheet hell and hello to your new superhero cape. This is for the growth leads drowning in Jira tickets, comms directors chasing journalists, and product managers who just want their roadmap to actually execute. Launch chaos? Not on our watch. Here's what's inside the product launch pack. Strategic alignment phase with stakeholder mapping tools. Media outreach module featuring A/B tested email templates and journalist segmentation filters. Launch timeline builder with critical path dependencies and buffer zone calculations. Post launch analytics suite, including social sentiment, NLP, and competitor benchmarking. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a toolkit. It's your command center for world domination, one product launch at a time. Installing the product launch pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add product launch pack. That's it. You get the full GTM workflow, pre-launch checklists with compliance guardrails, media outreach sequences with personalized subject line generators, and post-mortem analysis tools that auto-tag success factors. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows how to draft press releases, calculate launch velocity, and flag PR risks before they blow up. Warning: may cause jealousy from your overworked operations team. Ready to launch like a pro? The future of product marketing just downloaded.